Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.33 Input Kick Substrate Front to Back Sheet Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, kick is the location, front to back is the position. Kick parts are identified as sheet or strip. Side left and side right are referred to as front to back sheet. Front and back are referred to as left to right sheet. Sheet parts are structural pieces of material. Strip parts are thin pieces of material used to join sheets and components together. Sheets are typically wood substrate that has a finish applied. For this pedestal instructions example, plywood is the substrate material that the kick component is made of. Row 269 is substrate kick FTB sheet, meaning substrate kick front to back sheet. Enter $45 per sheet for 3/4 inch plywood in cell T269. When the price is entered in cell T269, the total material cost, $1.39 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X269. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point except while a macro is running. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example, 2.2.33, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.34.